dah berapa lama sebenarnya you in this industry ni sebenarnya? Daripada you maybe from your upbringing ke macam mana you boleh terkecimpung dalam ni?
Okay, I'm a Kelantanis from Kelantan. So saya dilahirkan di Kota Baru, which is my father adalah kontraktor lah, businessman. I membesar dengan 4 abang. 6 years later barulah lahir adik saya perempuan. So I'm being brought up as a boy sebab ada abang-abang yang lasak dan ganas. Tapi my father ni dia sangat open minded lah kalau dikira pada ketika itu. He believe in educations. Think daripada kehidupan dia kot, yang mana dia sangat-sangat susah. But I think inborn dia memang seorang yang sangat positif, which is dia punya sikap tu transferred to all of our siblings. So ayah saya ni merantau. Dia I think as army,
Air Force
Army. So dia merantau ke Hong Kong dan juga ke Singapore. Then he came back.
So dia macam terbuka lah, minda dia terbuka.
Dan we can talk anything with him. And he is very protective and very positive. My late father ni dia tak pernah cakap kenapa gaduh ke apa, tak ada. So dia kata okay fight. Tapi my brother ni manja. My brother ni belajar di New Zealand. Dan disebabkan dia very close to the arwah father, dia balik pun he came back as a same man. It's a very traditional man juga. So my father ni dia believe in education lah. So he will choose the best school.